Hi allesammans, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to use subordinate clauses in Norwegian. Understanding the nuances of the Norwegian language is vital for achieving fluency. And one such nuance is the correct use of subordinate clauses. These dependent clauses, when correctly employed, can greatly enhance your expressive abilities in the language. What is a subordinate clause? A subordinate clause, often called a dependent clause, doesn't stand on its own as a complete sentence. Instead, it relies on a main clause to provide context. It offers additional details or specifications to the primary statement. For instance, Jeg vet at du liker kaffe. Jeg vet at du liker kaffe. Jeg vet at du liker kaffe. I know that you like coffee. In this case, jeg vet is the main clause, while at du liker kaffe is the subordinate clause. Using subordinate conjunctions in Norwegian. The initiation of a subordinate clause in Norwegian often requires a subordinating conjunction. Some commonly used ones include at, that. Jeg tror at han kommer snart. Jeg tror at han kommer snart. Jeg tror at han kommer snart. I believe that he's coming soon. Fordi, because. Han gikk hjem fordi han var trøtt. Han gikk hjem fordi han var trøtt. Han gikk hjem fordi han var trøtt. He went home because he was tired. Hvis, if. Hvis det regner, blir vi hjemme. 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 If it rains, we'll stay home. Når, when. Jeg ringer når jeg kommer fram. Jeg ringer når jeg kommer fram. Jeg ringer når jeg kommer fram. I'll call when I get there. Word order in subordinate clauses. The word order in Norwegian subordinate clauses can be slightly tricky for learners. While the subject-verb-object order is common in main clauses, subordinate clauses can present variations. Take this primary clause as an example. Han kan snakke norsk. Han kan snakke norsk. Han kan snakke norsk. He can speak Norwegian. When transformed into a subordinate clause, jeg tror at han kan snakke norsk. Jeg tror at han kan snakke norsk. Jeg tror at han kan snakke norsk. I believe that he can speak Norwegian. However, if a main clause has an inversion causing the verb to precede the subject, this order is reversed in the subordinate clause. Inverted main clause, kan han snakke norsk? Kan han snakke norsk? Kan han snakke norsk? Can he speak Norwegian? Subordinate clause. Jeg lurer på om han kan snakke norsk. Jeg lurer på om han kan snakke norsk. Jeg lurer på om han kan snakke norsk. I wonder if he can speak Norwegian. Negating subordinate clauses. In Norwegian, the adverb ikke, not, is used for negation. In subordinate clauses, ikke is typically placed in front of the verb. Jeg tror at han ikke kommer. Jeg tror at han ikke kommer. Jeg tror at han ikke kommer. I believe that he is not coming. To master the use of subordinate clauses in Norwegian, one must understand both the conjunctions and the specific word order they require. Consistent practice combined with exposure to native content will ensure you're on the right path. Always focus on listening, reading, and practicing sentence construction to proficiently use subordinate clauses. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich culture heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chats, transcripts, early access to new content, one-on-one Norwegian classes, Discord access, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website, nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no,